special Romanian product for Christmas Day, cozonac. We need flour, sugar, eggs, butter, nuts, cocoa, and vanilla essence. Now we mix everything well. And let the dough grow. In the meantime, I'm preparing the walnut filling. Next, I prepare the dough to put it in the oven.